Apple CarPlay is a feature that transfers the display and control of some of your iPhone functions to the vehicle's center display screen. Because it also handles hands-free phone and streaming functions, Apple CarPlay overrides the Bluetooth system when connected and disables Wi-Fi functionality, including wireless hotspot capabilities. For a full list of available functions and iPhone model compatibility, visit www.apple.com/iOS/CarPlay. For best results, update your device to the latest software version. To use Apple CarPlay, ensure Siri is enabled on your device. Touch Settings, Siri and search, then these icons. To connect to Apple CarPlay wirelessly, you must first connect your iPhone to a Wi-Fi network, as well as the vehicle's Bluetooth. To connect to Bluetooth, press Menu, then touch Connections, Devices, and Add New. A message will appear on your vehicle's screen directing you to perform the following procedure on your device. Touch Settings, Bluetooth, then the name of your vehicle. Ensure that the code on your vehicle's screen matches the code displayed on your device. Then, on your device, touch Pair, Allow, then use CarPlay. A notification will appear on your vehicle's screen. Touch Yes to use Apple CarPlay. If wireless connection is not available, connect your iPhone using the cable that came with your phone to a USB port. To view helpful tips on using the app, press the menu button on the control panel. Touch Connections, Devices, this icon next to your device's name, Smartphone Projection, then Vehicles Help for Apple CarPlay. From the Devices menu, you can touch to switch to a different device. After your iPhone is recognized by the system, the vehicle's center display screen will change to a menu of available iPhone functions. Touch an icon to access that function. Touch this icon to return to the Apple CarPlay main menu. To return to normal vehicle functions, press the menu button or touch this icon. To return to the Apple CarPlay screen, touch the Apple CarPlay icon. To access Siri while connected to Apple CarPlay, press and hold the talk button on the steering wheel, or touch and hold this key on the Apple CarPlay screen. Some Siri functions are not available while driving. For best results when using Siri, speak clearly and reduce background noise by closing the windows and moonroof, if so equipped. Also direct the vents so that they are not pointing toward the vehicle microphone. To exit Siri operation, press the talk button on the steering wheel, or touch this key on the Apple CarPlay screen. If Apple CarPlay does not automatically connect, check your device to make sure Siri is enabled, Bluetooth is enabled, and Apple CarPlay is enabled. Please see your Nissan Connect owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.